Thesee Data Center has embarked on an ambitious co-location data center project like no other. This co-location provider will offer unprecedented functionality, energy efficiency, and real-time data center visibility to its clients. The vision: to offer a home-away-from-home data center experience to its customers as if it were their own facility. They will log into a web-based portal that shows them all the real-time metrics of their data center space. What's more, they will be able to interact with an exact 3D virtual replica of their own space using the Six Sigma digital twin.
Thesee Data Center's aim was to provide a sovereign, eco-responsible co-location data center offering the best level of security and availability at competitive price.
Thesee Data Center will offer 6 data center halls, each housing 2 identical rooms of 534 square meters. The facility is aimed at mixed and high-density server hosting, but in an energy-efficient manner with Tier 4 certification. Each data center hall benefits from its own digital twin to ensure that it is always working at optimal efficiency from a capacity, power, and cooling standpoint. The Six Sigma digital twin has been used throughout the data center design phase to understand the behavior of the facility under different capacity levels, failure scenarios, and its ability to support a mixture of high and low rack densities within the same data center hall.
Six Sigma DCX suite was really important for us. First of all, for the design, because it could afford us to, let's say, check and validate that the design, particularly for the high density racks, was okay and that we did not generate any hotspots into the data hall. So both in, let's say, normal situation, but also in failover situation. Then the second thing was the integration of the Six Sigma DCX into our DCMS portal. So this is really important for the operations of the data center and to guarantee the service level objective of Thesee Data Center customers. So this will give their customers the ability to have let's say 3D modeling, but also real-time operating condition data to be able to optimize the operation condition, but also to guarantee that they can run their IT system without any risk, without any outage.
The Six Sigma digital twin by Future Facilities is an indispensable design and operating tool that allowed us to achieve the level of performance and availability we defined for ourselves. The cooling technologies used and the constraints linked to the high density means that the design could not have been achieved without the use of Six Sigma digital twin and CFD thermal modeling.
In addition, the Six Sigma digital twin will be used by both Thesee Data Center and its customers in the ongoing day-to-day operations of the data center.
We won't just use our digital twin as the data center design phase. It will be automatically updated in real time to always accurately reflect the hosted IT infrastructure that are implemented in our data halls. This will enable Thesee Data Center to operate the site, guaranteeing the level of service and efficiency promised to our customers.
The Six Sigma digital twin is an important component of the DCMS solution since it offers a very accurate model of the data hall that can be used to manage equipment, inventories, plan and optimize the rooms, simulate and decide on changes, and understand current setup.
The customer can use it to decide on new systems to implement. Can I afford to put that in my already allocated space? Do I need additional capacity in terms of racks or power, etc.? All simulation and modeling for customer what-if scenarios will be day-to-day usage of the Six Sigma digital twin.
Let me give you a walkthrough. Clients will see their data center space and how it is performing day-to-day in real time via a web portal with dashboards and reports. They can see BMS information, including alarms, events. And if they want to increase capacity, they will be able to choose a rack, install it, and implement IT equipment into that rack. They will go through the portal to the marketplace, select and buy items. The client can see optimal positioning of this new equipment through the 3D view of their digital twin, considering power and cooling.
The use of CFD simulation via the Six Sigma Digital Twin allows both Thesee Data Center and its customers the ongoing ability to predict outcomes and make operational decisions in a cost-effective and risk-free manner, whilst maximizing energy and capacity efficiency.
The Six Sigma Digital Twin is at the heart of our service portal and data center management system. This service is truly innovative and provides transparency that very few data centers currently offer. Future Facilities Six Sigma Digital Twin is a precious ally on which our data center as a service offer will be based, which is an important differentiator and a key factor to ensure the financial success of our project. Now we think we have the most important and the best design data center in France.